To determine the right brace size, measure 6 inches or 15 centimeters below mid-patella and take a circumference around the calf. If the patient is between two sizes, we recommend to choose the smaller one. The configuration required is selected according to which side of the knee is affected by OA. Open upper and lower quick-fit buckles. Position the brace on a partially extended leg with the user sitting down. Align the Össur logo with the upper edge of kneecap. Place the button of the blue quick-fit buckle into blue keyhole and close. Position the calf strap above widest part of the calf muscle. Use the alligator clip to get an appropriate snug fit. Place the button of the yellow quick fit buckle into yellow keyhole and close. Use the alligator clip to get an appropriate snug fit of the thigh strap. The front edge of the hinge should be at midline of leg. Turn both smart dosing dials clockwise until the yellow indicators are at the lowest setting. Adjust the upper dynamic force system strap length using the alligator clip. The strap should be firmly in contact with the skin without providing unloading force. Adjust the lower dynamic force system strap length using the alligator clip as before. Bend the knee. Turn both upper and lower smart dosing dials clockwise until the yellow indicators are in the middle slot. Ask the user to stand up. Verify correct positioning of the brace. Check tightness of the straps. Slide the popliteal pad to the correct position. Ask the user to take a few steps, also on stairs or a slope if possible, to see how the brace fit feels. Verify brace positioning and optimal DFS strap tension based on user's feedback. Aim for a final smart dosing setting at middle indicator slot. Undo the brace and remove from the leg. Loosen both smart dosing dials so the alligator clips are visible. Trim the straps to the appropriate length. Reapply the brace for a final fit check. Place the button of the blue quick fit buckle into blue keyhole and close. Place the button of the yellow quick fit buckle into yellow keyhole and close. Bend the knee. Check that the final smart dosing setting is at the middle slot. The Unloader 1X brace is designed for easy maintenance. Fasten all the buckles and insert the entire brace into the designated wash bag without removing pads or straps. Machine wash using a gentle wash cycle and a mild detergent, but no fabric softener. Allow it to air dry. Do not use a tumble dryer or place on a warm surface. For individual patient needs, the following accessories are available. The Unloader X comes fitted with Össur's patented Sensil silicone liner, which is specially designed to comfortably secure the brace in place, maximizing effectiveness. The doeskin tibial liner is recommended for patients with sensitive skin. The Sensil strap pad can be used in combination with all three calf liners whenever a patient experiences migration issues. Unloader 1X standard thigh liner is soft and comfortable to help increase patient compliance. For patients with larger thigh circumferences, the doeskin thigh extension liner can be recommended. Ease of Use Kit is recommended for patients with manual dexterity issues. It contains a sundial for easy grip of the BOA dial and finger, and loops for effortless opening of the buckles.